what I'm gonna do, you got the hiccups too. Is that a symptom? The hiccups? No? Okay. Yo, Small with the 10, thank you. Look here, ma'am. Okay, look. You got elevated temperature, you got elevated pulse. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw you over in quarantine for a couple days. You got somebody in there with you. She's pretty cool. Y'all get along really well. Okay, so go to quarantine for a couple days. Alenia. Okay,
I was healthy yesterday. Just check again.
You better quit crying. You hear me? Next!
You can trust me. I'm healthy.
Is that so? Sir, what's up with the blood on your cheek?